Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, today we are looking for day 7. That's right, day 7. Here's 8. 20, 21, 23. Let's see, 9. There's 17. Apparently I haven't dug this deep yet. 14, 10. Oh, here's day 7 right here. Who loves opening these things? These are so much fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's a charm pack. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to get the same charm pack that I'm going to get. So maybe you do, maybe you don't. I'm not sure if they make them identical like that. This charm pack is by Sherry and Chelsea from Moda. It's the Strawberry Lemonade fabric line. Super cute. I love charm packs. They come in they're so helpful, and they're easy to use and sew and make something cute with. So